Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable text autocorrection on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus smartphone. First, open Settings application on your device, then scroll down to General Management menu in Settings, open it, and then select Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then here we're gonna have to go to Languages and Types, select your language, and once your language is selected, you'll be able to disable predictive text. For example, by going right here and switching this toggle to the left. We can also disable the autocorrection if you still want to get predictive text but don't want your phone to auto-replace, so autocorrect you. So this is basically the main feature that we want to disable or enable here. Now we can also enable or disable auto spell check, and in more typing options we also can disable or enable auto-capitalization, auto spacing, or double tap spacebar to add full stop. And we can also enable or disable multi-language text prediction. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.